Yun, like yung sinabi mo, may game to pa naman. Eh, sabi ko lang, hindi naman natatapos ang championship sa game. So, I think yung opportunity pa rin namin na makabawi, mag-reset, makapag-perform ulit ng maganda or next game, i-push namin. Talagang ilaban namin hanggang doon.
Kung usapan niyo kanya, ano ba yung nangyari talaga sa loob? Bakit ganito yung...
Usap ko yung team. I think yung pag-handle namin ng pressure, mismo sa sarili namin. And siyempre, bukod sa, ang ganda ng performance ng Creamline, which is yun talaga yung normal laro nila. Sinasabi ko nga sa team na kilala niyo naman yan pagka talagang nag-perform at gusto manalo. Yan yung makita natin. Siguro, yun din. Ang medyo hindi okay, yung hindi namin nailabas kung anong meron talaga kami performance-wise. And then siguro yung pag-handle ng every situation. And siguro mas naging excited na na-pressure dahil first time championship. And grabe rin yung crowd. So sobrang, actually, sarap maglaro kanina. But yun nga, kinapos, kinula. So, accept lang namin.
Coach, anong parte ng huling mga panalo niya sa Creamline yung nawala talaga ngayon?
I think yung paano sila nag-enjoy every situation. Kasi sila nga yung nagsabi na parang kahit lamang or kami yung lamang, parang same feeling lang. But kanina, iba talaga daw yung feeling nila. And siyempre, nire-respect ko yun dahil siyempre sila yung naglalaro sa loob ng court. And guro yung pinaka-best dito, yung ano yung pinakamalaking natutunan namin dahil guro, siyempre yun na, first time. And then, guro yung pag-embrace lang sa ganitong sitwasyon. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, basta kailangan mag-recover lang at mabawi ka. So,
Coach, gano'n lang ang challenge yung bukas kasi isang araw lang.
Siyempre, medyo mabigat para sa amin yun. Hindi rin namin nakuha yung first game. But, siguro, mas kailangan ko personally maniwala sa team and dun sa sistema na meron kami. And ilaro lang namin. Sabi nga sa kanila, huwag yung masyadong i-pressure yung sarili nyo kasi mas gusto kong nailalaro natin kung ano yung naging investment natin before, paano tayo nag-prepare. Kaya nga tayo nakarating dito eh. So, kailangan lumabas lang yung totoong game natin. And that's it. Wala na tayong ibang pagsisisihan or pag-uusapan. Ayun. Thank you!
I think familiar is the better word for it. A lot of us were talking before the game. What the feeling is coming into today's game. Every championship is different. Talaga. The preparation, the teams that we go up against, but it is familiar territory for us because we've had experiences before. But we know after this game 1, ibang laban naman ang game 2 and we have to do our best to close out as much as possible because we know Signal is a good team.
Signal gave you a hard time the whole conference. Were you surprised din maybe with how dominant din yung naging performance of Pro? Was it experience that just came out or other factors din siguro?
We know kasi what happened in the regular round. Tapos na yun. The finals is a different story. And we did our best talaga to prepare, to work with the strengths of Creamline and believe that we can execute the best way we can coming into this game. And thankful naman kami. Hindi kami surprised pero very thankful kami na we were very focused from start to finish.
So was it the championship pedigree of Creamline that came through today?
We'd like to think that it's a glimpse of it, but there are things that we can do better going into the next game.
Gia, all conference long naghahanap kayo ng parang kumbaga yung click nyo, but today parang dun talaga ba feel mo nakita lahat yun?
Optimistic kami. We're very thankful na paunti-unting nag-gel talaga yung team. We're peaking at the right time and ibang klaseng laban naman yung game 2. So tonight yung instruction sa amin is to really rest, recover, and tomorrow we go back to training. Regardless of the result, today may training talaga bukas and we're focused naman.